To begin, log into the Ubuntu server or Ubuntu terminal. To add a new user, use the adduser command. Type the admin password for your sudo access. Now you'll be prompted to set a password for the new user. Ensure it is strong and secure. You can also provide additional information about the user, such as their full name, phone number, etc. This step is optional, and you can simply press enter to skip it. Now type Y to create new user. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.